CRM systems can hold a vast amount of customer and sales information, and it's critical that the data be easily accessible. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how Sage CRM's powerful search tools make it easy for you to rapidly locate the information you need. Sage CRM provides three search tools: the Finder, Keyword Search, and Advanced Finder. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the first two and save the powerful yet more complex Advanced Find for another session. The search tools are accessed from the Finder icon, and although you can left-click your mouse and choose the entity to search, most users tell me that they prefer to right-click and make their selection from the flyout menu. We'll start by looking at the standard Finder. In this example, we know the first and last name of the person we want to view. After entering the information, clicking Find brings up a link to their record, and they're just a click away. Note that when we return to the Finder screen, our previous search results are still active. We'll clean the slate by clicking the Clear button. The Finder also allows you to use partial search terms. For example, what if you need to view information on a prospect and you can't recall their full name or company name? Maybe you recall that the person's first name starts with a D and the company name ends with COM. We'll enter D in the first name field and %com in the company field. Importantly, putting % in front of com tells the system to search for any word that contains com. Now, instead of clicking the Finder, I want to reveal a shortcut. The Finder screen is one of the few places in Sage CRM where you can hit your Enter key rather than clicking an action button. So let's hit the Enter key, and two matches are returned that contain com in the company name with a first name starting with D. Let's take a look at a couple of additional features here. You can also search using selectionless fields. In this case, we'll select a territory and account manager, and you can save a search query by clicking the Save Search icon and entering an appropriate name. So the next time you need to run the same search, you won't need to retype the information. Just click on the Save Search. And some final comments before we move on to the Keyword Search tool. Although our examples have used the person entity, searching on other entities is done in a similar manner. And it's important to note that your system administrator can place additional search fields on the Finder screens. Now let's take a look at keyword searches. You'll find keyword search on the standard Finder screens that we were just looking at, but it also has its own standalone screen that can be accessed by right-clicking the Finder button and selecting Keyword Search. We'll illustrate the benefits of the Keyword Search tool by looking at some examples. In this first example, we'll see how the Keyword Search tool looks for your keywords across all text fields associated with an entity. To illustrate, let's search for the keyword time in sales opportunities. The results return 7 matches. We're shown the first several and can click the link to view them all. We can see that in the first 2, the word time was found in the description, but in the third, the word time must be in other fields associated with the sales opportunity. Let's open it up, and there we can see that our keyword time occurs in the details text field. Another significant feature is the ability to search for keywords across multiple entities at the same time. So using the same keyword, time, let's go to the extreme and click Select All, and then click Find, and now you can see that the word time is found in 7 opportunities, 1 lead, and 2 communications. Let's look at one of the communications that contain the keyword, in this case an email, and you can see that the keyword is found in the subject line and in the body of the email. And finally, in this last example, we'll see how you can search for multiple keywords that occur in separate fields within an entity. Let's suppose that you need to locate a sales opportunity involving a time and billing system that was referred to you by a friend, Peter Hodges. We'll enter time and Hodges, click the Finder, and open the result, and there you can see that the keyword time is in the description and Hodges is in the details. So to recap, Sage CRM provides powerful search tools that put the information your company needs at your fingertips. Give us a call if you need assistance with these features, and if you're not using Sage CRM, here's another reason you should consider it for your company. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.